Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize the website on Ecwid for camping and hiking gear business easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here, you have to sign up for free. So let's get started. Okay, so after you sign up, it will take you to the dashboard. So as you see here, this is the dashboard. Okay, so wait a few seconds. So here you have to set up your website and storefront. So click on it. It will take you to the editor page. So now as you see, you have to go to the settings and go to the templates and select the templates of the topic of the camping and hiking gears. So if the topic isn't here, you can just select a random one and design it on your home page. So for example, I'm gonna just select simple. So I'm gonna take this one here, a random one, just a random one, and you have to change everything on this template. Okay, so start with the header and the menu. So go into site logo and change the logo type on as image or as a text, whatever you like, and enter here your company name. After this, you can manage the navigation menu, so you have to change all this menu items here, add your own menu items. Okay, so after this, go back and let's move on now to the design. So in the design of any section, you have to try your best to make your site look attractive, so anyone can visit your site and attract your business. So make sure don't forget the simple details like the font and like the size, like the color. Also you can add the frame outline to make it more better. Now let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, you have to change the title, and also you have to change this description here. So for example, the title, you can just uh, rewrite the business name and add something like here for example, hub or whatever, like this. And here you can, for example, introduce your business to your customers. You can type welcome to our site for camping and hiking gear. Okay, so now uh, if you want to change the image, of course you have to change it. Go to the browser and search on camping and hiking gears. So after this, go to the image and select here the image which you want to use. So this is depends on your products, on your business, so you can select whatever you like. For example, I'm gonna choose this one or this one here. Okay, I'm gonna select this one. Okay, after this, go to the design and select your favorite design, your favorite layout. Okay, so as I said, don't forget the simple, the details uh, about the section, the details of your section. Okay, so now go back and let's move on to the next section, about section. So as you see, of course, you have to change the title and add a subtitle, and also you have to change the description. So you can talk, for example, about uh, something a little details about your company and why should your customers buy from you or use these services, something about your product quality or like this. And of course you have to change the image, so just from the browser. Okay, so um, choose this one. So change it. Okay, now go to the design and select your favorite design. So that just like this. Now let's go back. Let's move on now to the store section. So here you have to create your product. So to create your product, you have to go back to the dashboard and click here, add your products or services. Now as you see, you have to go new product, and now as you see here, you have to add your product gallery, the name of your product, the area, the weight on kilogram, and you have to customize here. You can customize the prices options, and also you can enter here the description of your product. So that's it. Now let's go to the editor, go back. After you're done from here, save this place and go back to the editor and complete here the design of the background and the title, the product name and the image and the price. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, bestseller section. So if you wanna delete some section, you can delete this. For example, if you don't need it, you can just delete it and add another one, add section, whatever you like, special offers like this one. Okay, and you can add it and design it on your homepage, of course. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, uh, featured products. Okay, so as you see here, of course you have to change the title and the description, and of course you have to change also the design and the image. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. So I'm choosing just a random image, so you have to change the image, depends on your business. So like this one. So you have to change the title also and the description. So I don't know what some I have to type in the description, so this is depends on your business. You can type whatever you like here. Now let's move on to the next section. So here you can uh, this story section, you can tell something about your story of the your business and what makes you start your business, and something about your quality of your product. So that's it. Of course you have to change also the image. Now let's move on to the next section. So the same thing here, you have to change the image and the description, the title. Also you can add the tagline. So that's it, and choose your favorite layout. So let's go back. Let's move on now to the delivery information. So as I see here, you have to change the title also and the description. So nothing special here, the same thing as normal, just do what you have to do. Now let's move on to the contacts. So here you can use this description. For example, we are always happy to see you. And the address here, you have to enter your business address, and you can enter the exact postal address or plus code. Also you can enter the daily hours, you can enter the contact information and the social profiles. So that's it. So in the design, I rather choose this one here of the map in the background. It's like you can scroll the map and put your location here, so it's much better than the other ones here for me. So that's it. Now let's move on to the future section. So here just you have to enter your company name for the copyright. Okay, so after you're done, if you want to add something new, you can just click here, you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. So that's it. Before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and see if something needs to change. So if you verify, just publish your website. So as you see here, now you can start selling and you can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.